Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'll show you the best ways to get free diamonds in Fishdom without using cheats or hacks. First of all, go ahead and open up Fishdom application. Once you start playing, the first thing you want to look for is to play and complete levels in Fishdom. Go to the puzzle button at the bottom right corner and go ahead and tap on play. Finish the levels that has been provided and then you will earn rewards. The more rewards you'll get, sometimes you'll receive diamonds as part of level competition bonuses. So keep completing the levels in order to earn free diamonds on Fishdom. The next method is to simply participate in events. Fishdom regularly hosts events and competitions. Joining these events and completing tasks can earn you free diamonds, so make sure to check the events tab often. Another method is to simply log in every day and claim your daily rewards. Some days you'll receive free diamonds just for logging in consistently. If you also link your game to Facebook, sometimes Fishdom will give bonuses diamonds for connecting and playing with friends. So those were some of the ways or tips that can help you get diamonds for free on Fishdom. Don't get disappointed if you didn't receive any free diamonds. Just keep completing the levels so that you can earn free diamonds and have fun. And that's it. If you found this tutorial to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.